Hey sweet friends, and welcome back. So I'm really excited to have partnered with FabFitFun today to share with you their fall 2018 box. I am so excited. A couple weeks ago I shared FabFitFun's fall 2018 add-ons, so if you're interested in that video I will go ahead and link it in the description box. And just a little introduction to FabFitFun if you are new to my channel. It is my absolute favorite subscription box. It is like Christmas 4 times a year. Each box is $49.99, but I have a $10 off coupon code for you guys, making the box under $40, and the value is always over $200. I'm telling you guys, the products in these boxes are always amazing. This season, they have products from Beauty Blender and Glam Glow, so some really big names. So let's open her up. So this box is in support of the Right Action for Women, the Christina Applegate Foundation. So you get a friend referral card, which will give your friends $10 off. Again, I have a $10 off coupon code in my description box, so if you're going to order, be sure to check that out. Here is a coupon for Luna bars. Yummy, yummy. And you're always going to get a magazine with your FabFitFun, and it always has really great articles in it, interviews, different ideas on how to use the products in your box, coupons, the whole deal. So the first goodie in my fall box is this set of Cobra wireless earbuds. And I was really excited about these because every night I lay in bed and I watch ASMR videos. And if you're a YouTuber, you probably know what they are, but it's kind of just like soothing sound videos, and I just love them, you guys. They always help me to go to sleep. You pretty much have to listen to them with headphones. So earbuds are a really awesome option, and mine are so old. So I'm really, really excited to have these, and they're so, so cute. They're little tiny white earbuds, and they have a pink ring. Let's see. And they're so comfy, and like I can't hear anything. And these earbuds are awesome because you have all of your controls right here. I was really, really excited about these earbuds, and so let me tell you guys what the retail price of them is. So the Silo Cobra Bluetooth wireless earbuds in black or white retail for $40. So that right there is the price of your box. So next item is from Grown Alchemist Botanical Beauty. And I actually used this cleanser last night and I loved it. I even loved the packaging. This is their Hydra Restore Cream Cleanser, and it has olive leaf and plantago extract. It was amazing. It had a really nice rich lather. It left my skin feeling not only clean, but also really hydrated, soft and satiny, and I just love a good cleanser like that. It's also free of skin aging toxins and carcinogens. So I love this cleanser, and this retails for $49. So the cleanser alone costs more than the entire box, which is awesome. Also in the fall box, you'll be receiving 2 of these Glam Glow bubble sheets. These are oxygenating deep cleansing masks. And I actually already own these and love them. I'll typically use one about every 2 weeks. It's like a big face mask that you literally lay on your face. You're gonna look like Michael Myers straight out of Halloween, but it works amazing. If I'm ever having like any kind of breakouts or my skin is just looking dull and blah, which typically by the end of the summer it is, this is the best sheet mask to use. So neat how the micro bubbles form on your skin after you've had the mask on for a minute. It just feels really cool. So love that they sent some more of these, and these retail for $18. So next, you're also going to get a little Luna Rica bar. This is in the flavor Salted Caramel Nut. And typically I'm not that big of a fan of like granola bars, but lately, especially with having a toddler, I really need like snacks on the go. So I pretty much always have some kind of granola bar in my bag in case I need it, or Colton needs it, or just anybody needs one. I'm actually gonna try it right now and let you know what I think about it. And you guys know when it comes to like these nut bars, I am 100% gonna be honest with you. If it's bad, I'm gonna let you know. Okay, so this one isn't bad. So it's organic and gluten-free and non-GMO, all natural flavoring. And what I really, really like about the bar is how soft and squishy it is. I can't stand when bars are like really dry or like taste like cardboard. I can't do that at all. But this one is really like yummy and squishy and rich and buttery. I want to do some more. Okay, Luna, that's almost too good. That tastes like a candy bar. So that's amazing that it's actually healthy for you. Next up in the fall box is a shower gel from Skin & Co. Blue in Capri with notes of alpine rose, sage, wild basil, and autumn blossom. This is their Italian collection. I did use this in the shower this morning. It has a really nice, fresh, clean scent. I love the smell of basil. I love to cook with basil. I love basil hand soap. So it only makes sense to also have some basil scented shower gel. It's just a really nice smell, and my husband doesn't mind it either because obviously it's not overly feminine. It's just a really nice, fresh, clean scent. So great for fall, and the Skin & Co. Roma Blue in Capri retails for $22. All right, so the next goodie I actually already had hanging up in my kitchen because as soon as I got the box, I just thought that they were the cutest ever. I always love when they send home decor products. You guys know I'm crazy about home decor. So these are just the most adorable tea towels from Simply Whimsical. And you can see that they just have this really nice neutral sort of gray zigzag pattern. So perfect to go like all through the entire year. You can use this for any season, but especially for fall, you guys know that I love the grays, the muted sage colors, creams, whites, that kind of thing. So these are just perfect. Absolutely love them. They're really good size when you open them up. I just have mine hanging on my oven right now just because I think that they're so cute. But these retail for $14.99, really nice and soft, handmade. So I love that. FabFitFun, the more home decor that you want to include, I'm like all for that. Thing in my fall box I'm absolutely obsessed with, and it is this really nice 6-piece brush set from Crown Brush, who everybody knows is a really amazing makeup brush company. It comes in this really handy little travel case, so if you're going on any trips or if you just like to keep your brushes organized, this is really nice. It is like a hardcover, so they're not going to get squished. And it has a snap closure, so really great for on the go. And it has the stretchy elastic inside to keep your brushes nice and secure. So it does come with 6 brushes. It has 2 face brushes and 4 little eye brushes. They do come in plastic when you receive them. However, I have been testing these out the last 2 days, so I could tell you guys kind of what I thought. So mine are not in plastic anymore. But I have tried Crown brushes in the past. So these are not my first, but aren't they just beautiful? I got the black set. They also are sending out silver and rose gold, so yours might look a little bit different. But they are literally the softest brushes you could ever imagine. Sorry, there's like powder still in this one. But they are incredibly soft on the face. They do not shed. I was really excited to have some more to add to my collection. This brush set retails for $75. This box is just like so impressive. There is so much stuff in here. So the next item is from Touch in Soul. This is their Medalist Liquid Foil Lipstick Duo, and it is in the shade number 2, Penny. And I'm actually going to apply it right now so that you guys can see what it looks like on. But this metallic liquid foil lipstick duo retails for, let me look, $24.99. So it has glittery gloss on one end and a metallic liquid on the other. So you apply the metallic liquid first and then you put the glittery gloss over top. This is actually going to go with my top, so this is exciting. So that just went on like butter. That's really nice. Kind of let it dry a little bit before I put the gloss on. But that went on super easy, really satiny smooth, and now I can feel it drying down, which is cool. Yeah, it's totally drying. And I'm going to put this glittery gloss over top. Ooh. Metallics are always in for fall, but particularly this year. And this is just the nicest duo. The gloss isn't overly sticky. It's really shiny and metallic. Look how wild that is. I would love to have this in some different colors even. So this one is a really pretty like blush rose mauve tone. It's pretty much almost the same color as my top, to be honest. but it's kind of like moody too, so you could really play around with this with different eye looks. So I love that shade for fall. This is really, really cool. So I was also really excited about this item in the fall box. This is the original Beauty Blender makeup sponge. I'm sure everyone knows about these. The Beauty Blender retails for $20. Worth every penny because I absolutely love mine. But I'm excited to have a new one because I've been using the same one for a bit. A new beauty. I always get really excited about new makeup sponges because they're all fresh and pink and beautiful, but perfect size, great for the under eye. You can even use this to apply your foundation, blend it, cream, blush products. A lot of that's really great with the fall and winter coming up so that you can still look dewy and hydrated even if your skin tends to be more on the dry side in the winter air. So I just love the Beauty Blender. So excited that that was in there. So the final item in my fall box is so cute, and it is this ceramic and stainless steel teapot from Alfred. You may have also received their French press. I was excited that I got the teapot because, and don't judge me all, but I am not like a coffee person. And I really feel like the minority because I think all moms are coffee drinkers except for me. But I just don't respond well to caffeine. So I will typically stick with decaf, tea, cocoa, that kind of thing. So I was really excited to get this adorable little teapot to make some tea this fall and winter. You can see it's so cute. It's like a light blue with a cherry blossom pattern on it. It does have a stainless steel top, a really easy to flip open lid. Inside it has your little wide lipped infuser, really good size, and a dripless spout. So perfect to make your cup of tea. This teapot is $26. That was everything in the FabFitFun Fall 2018 box. So impressed, you guys, as always. I loved the kind of variation of products in this season's box. There was beauty, there was skincare, there was home decor, there was tech products. Definitely something for everyone, so I definitely recommend checking out FabFitFun. Again, I have a $10 off coupon code that I will put in the description box, so be sure to head on over and get your fall box. Thank you all so much for watching. Give this video a thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below letting me know what your favorite item in the fall 2018 box was. And until next time, bye guys.